Okay, our lesson for today is about Survey Pro using the map or code line work. So we are now in the display of the data collection screen. Close the screen and then you can see it from the upper right corner is the map. Click the map and then now click the icon with the GPS location so you can know where we standing for. So click this and here we are. We are standing on the center line. Now we have to measure first the road center line, RCL, and then add extra code FT for line work. And then measure, and then walk, go to the another point of the center line. Here in the center line, then stop, measure, and then go to the walk again and go to the beginning of curve. Let's say this is the beginning of curve. Okay. Put another code space STA and then measure. We have to wait for accuracy until it becomes fixed. Okay, wait. You can see the satellite here. Okay, peak, so we can measure. Oops, float. Wait again. Wait. Wait. Okay, peaks, so we can measure the beginning of curve and then walk and stand to the end curve. So this is the end curve. So put another code here, space, uh, here, and then measure, and then walk again. Go to the center line, stop, and then measure again. Then walk. Go to the another line, stop, and then measure. And then here we are, another curve. So this is the beginning of curve. So add another code, say space, then measure, then walk, go to the uh, end curve again. So here we are in the end curve. Okay. Then measure the end curve, space, ito, and then measure, and then go to the center line, stop, measure the center line, walk. If you want to see your previous map, so what you are doing, so you can select the zoom extend, so you can see the automatic line work we doing. Okay, but we continue. We have to walk again and go to the another uh, center line. Okay, stop here and wait. We have to wait for the peak position. Then that's peaks. Then measure again and then walk. And we found another beginning of curve here. We're going to measure the beginning of curve here. Okay, this is the beginning of curve. Space, and then measure. Then walk. Go to the end curve. Okay, stop. We are now in the end curve, and then we have to measure again. Space, and then measure, and then walk. Go to another line. Stop. Measure. So if you want to see our measurement, you can see that we are creating automatic line work and move forward, we're moving forward and straight line and then measure again. And then we found another curve here. So this is the beginning of curve. So measure again as the beginning of curve. And then walk, okay, then walk, and then stop. Wait our position to be fixed. Then now we are fixed. So here in the end curve, so space, and then measure, and then walk. See another center line. Stop, and then measure, and see our work. You can see that we are creating our line work. We are creating our line. Straight forward, walk again, stop, then measure, and then another curve, beginning of curve, we stop. So we are in the beginning of curve. Okay, so type, space, and then measure, and then walk. Going to another end curve. Okay, there's so many cars, vehicles around me, so I have to be careful. Okay, stop. I'm not nearly at the center, so we are just a few offset from the center, so we can make sure. Okay, there's so much of road. So let's say that this is the end curve. Okay, space, eta, and then measure. Okay, and then walk again to measure the center line. Then stop. Then walk. So you can see that I'm making automatic line work. If you are satisfied, thank you for our demonstration and welcome.